New heat wave is coming to Benidorm town, and yes, we're fully aware it's going to be November month in just a couple of weeks' time. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome to the brand new video from our sunny and really hot Benidorm town. It is Tuesday today. It is 21st of October. Only 9 days are left before the November will officially start. And this is the weather that we have right now. We've had a few weeks of rain already, decrease of temperatures, but now we've received another news from the meteorology station in Spain, which basically let us know that in our area we will have a mini heat wave that will rise the temperatures back again towards 31 degrees almost. At least that's what's going to be happening here in the area of Benidorm and Alicante, while Murcia will have up to 36 degrees. Now, at the end of August, this is something that none of us have expected. And honestly, it is true that the weather has been going slightly more crazy this year than what it usually does. The sun's shining, there's plenty of people by the beach, and also plenty of people right there in front of us. The typical sightseeing boats, the ones that are submarine vision boats that go around the bay, full of people, as you can see right there at the top, are enjoying the views of Benidorm, while others prefer to stay here on the sand or by the promenade and enjoy a lovely walk. It is really, really hot outside, and once you're staying on the sun for a tiniest bit, you can feel that it is burning back again. I'm not sure how is that even possible, but what we do know is that it's really, really hot, and it's going to be worse tomorrow, and apart from today, tomorrow and on Thursday. Thursday is supposed to be the worst day of this week, the hottest in a sense, and then the temperatures will go back to normal as nothing ever happened. So it's going to be interesting to actually see up until which temperatures will Benidorm get. Right now, in October month, the end of October, it is practically Halloween. How in the world is it possible? It did happen previously in the history of the town, but it's not as frequent whatsoever. What we do know for sure right now is that if you go outside, if you're here right now, these few upcoming days, bring some sunscreen, sun hats, some bathing suits, some towels, because you'll definitely need those for a nicest beach day. Plenty of people are doing parasailing, using the jet skis. There's someone swimming as well, I think. Look at that. There's someone swimming out there in front. There's people snorkeling. Quite a vivid place, honestly. And not gonna lie, it's pleasant to stay outside. You just need some sun hats and sunglasses to make it slightly more tolerable. And there's people back in the shade once again, which we know it is hot when people stay in the shade of the palm trees instead of a typical beach right there on the sand, on the plain sun. Quite vivid, quite busy. All the hotels here in Benidorm do have a very high occupancy, more than 80%, which is great. Honestly, we're happy that Benidorm is so busy. It is really quiet, and it's way quieter in all the other places such as Calpe, even Alicante. Mostly locals are left, or those who are coming here to enjoy winter holidays or spend a few months of the year here, at least a few weeks, while it's cold back in their home country. Hence, here, the difference is that there is way more people, almost the same as it is in summer. The thing is that now, since the weather allows it, people are able to actually enjoy other things than just staying on the sunshine and on the beach all day or by the swimming pool. People are able to actually discover the area, head for excursions, theme parks, and it's no 40 degrees or 40 something. Hence, it is perfect for exploring and discovering. which is why you'll see a little bit of people everywhere inside of the city, not just here packed up, everyone on the Levante beach. Although it is quite busy, as you can see, all the front line is occupied. How in the world is that possible? All the first and the second road is absolutely full. There is still a yellow flag for some reason. Maybe there were some waves, or it's predicted there will be some waves. But I don't think, unless there is a pure reason why, I don't think there is a necessity of putting a yellow flag right now. But boy, is it hot. Oof, we're on the sun already. It's been around 5-6 minutes maybe since the filming started. And honestly, we feel really warm by now. Oh, some cool water, some shade would be just perfect. Do you think they should put some shade here on the promenade? Maybe something artificial, some material on top to provide a little bit of shade here? Or do you like the fact that the whole promenade is sunny? Us locals wouldn't mind some shade, but I guess that for tourists, obviously staying on the sunshine is something that people love, and that is one of the main reasons why so many people arrive here to Benidorm, to enjoy a nice sunny day. So maybe if they cover the whole promenade, maybe it's not going to be the best thing, and tourists wouldn't be as happy. Let us know what you think here in the comments section. Really busy. Quite a lot of people, almost all adults, or at least outside of the school age. Mostly, that is what we have. Really vivid. All the nearby bars, terraces, cafeterias are quite busy now with different drinks, cold snacks. Plenty of people on the front row right here on the terrace. The sunniest spots are the ones that people use right now to sit down. The Heartbreak, a very nice place. They have some lovely entertainment in the evenings. I think it's starting like from 7 p.m. And each time that we pass through this area, it's actually quite vivid. There's plenty of people even filming, just stopping by the promenade and listening to the music. It's a very healthy atmosphere, a very pleasant atmosphere where to be. The Penelope Beach Club, also a typical place here for evening entertainment. Police passing by every now and then. By the way, there's a whole lot of controls happening right now, and maybe we'll let you know about it in some night video from Benidorm's nightlife, because there's some real changes happening out there you can never imagine, and something that a lot of people have been asking about and just questioning if this might happen at some point in the future. And it actually did finally happen. So there's quite a strong police presence, and as usual, obviously they're checking out that everything's all right, that all the tourists and locals are safe, that there's no mojito sellers, no potato scammers, no nothing that could bring something bad to the community or is not entirely safe. Hence, it is actually good because people feel way more safe, not only tourists but locals too. With the police presence, it is always better, because people think twice before actually doing something stupid. So we're safe, and with all the cameras we have here by the promenade, which keep increasing in different parts of the city, people actually do feel quite safe out here. My goodness, it starts to burn. Oh, how people can sit on the terrace for such a long time on the sun without a sun hat. I don't get it. This is absolutely bizarre. I would not be able to, honestly. I would get probably like a heat stroke or something. This is absolutely insane. It is so warm, and it is actually burning the skin. It is unpleasant. Walk on the sunshine now. It's like the summer is back. How in the world is that possible that we're almost in November? It's 9 days left before November will start, and this is the weather that we actually have. A couple of clouds, but nothing major. Mostly extreme sunshine back again. Very, very warm, very hot, which is why you see what you see on the beach now. So many people, so many umbrellas back again here. It's bizarre. It looks like a scene from summer season, from like peak summer season, but it is almost November, you guys. And this will be here up until the end of this week, at least up until the weekend. We'll see, because usually, you know, that the weather shifts quite a bit with the winds change, with any kind of changes happening. It can change in a second. So far, at least today, tomorrow, and Thursday, 3 days, which is why it is a heat wave, a small heat wave, there's going to be an extreme increase in temperatures. After that, on the weekend, it should stabilize, and we should be back to our like 21, 24, 25 degrees maximum. And as this, it should follow. But you never know. We might have this weather for a teeny tiniest bit longer. And yeah, people are getting all the shade from the palm trees here. That is insane. Probably the best idea would be just to go to the beach, grab some ice cream, some slushies, smoothies, anything. Another police vehicle. See, that's what I've told you. There is increased surveillance right now. Not because something's happening, but just because, 2 cars out here. Wow. That's interesting. But just because, we need surveillance. 2 cars, I think, is slightly too much, unless they are looking for someone. But 1 car is more than enough to just make sure that everyone do feel themselves safe. There's small waves. Maybe that is why they've put a yellow flag today. If not sure what the other reason for that could be. But this is how Benidorm looks like at the beginning of the heat wave. Back again at the end of October. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video.